Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to autoX, and what you see right here is the 2026 Volkswagen Taigun Facelift. So it gets subtle changes inside and out. Now let's talk about what changes up front. To begin with, the front end is new, right? The grille, the bumper. Now you also get an illuminated logo right here. The LED headlight design is new as well, and there's this connected LED bar. So that gives that premium feel to the Volkswagen Taigun Facelift. Now you see the illuminated logo, right? It looks premium. And if we move to the side, well, the design of the alloys is slightly changed. It's different. Now, not much changes in terms of overall appearance, right? At the rear also, you get connected LED tail lights, and overall, not much changes in terms of design and feel. But inside, the 1 liter turbo petrol engine now gets an 8-speed automatic gearbox, which is new. The 1.5 liter TSI petrol engine, it continues to get a 7-speed DCT. Now let's go inside and see what changes from the inside of the Taigun facelift. So we are sitting inside the cabin of the Volkswagen Taigun facelift, and the overall styling of the dashboard doesn't change much. The color combination changes for sure. The upholstery is different too, right? And well, the touchscreen infotainment system is now new. It is a 25.65 centimeter touchscreen, and the instrument console, the display is completely new as well. One interesting feature in the new instrument console is the fact that it now displays turn-by-turn navigation, which you can't see because, well, the phone is not paired to the car, right? I think it's a missed opportunity because a virtual cockpit would have felt very different and very premium, right? So that's something I think Volkswagen should have thought about. Not that it's offered in other cars in the segment, but that added touch of premiumness would have elevated the driving experience of the Taigun facelift. What are your thoughts? Do let me know in the comments below. And another interesting feature is the fact that the Taigun facelift now gets a panoramic sunroof along with ventilated seats. So you have these two-step ventilated seats. So if you're driving in hot Indian summer, you have a reason to be comfortable. Overall, the stance, the driving position feels sporty and premium as it used to be in the Taigun, right? And not much changes in terms of overall design, but it does feel slightly more premium than before, and that is something that we're happy about. We're happy to report about that. Now let's go check out the rear seat. Not much changes in terms of dimensions, so the rear seat experience is pretty much similar to the outgoing model. But like I said, the upholstery changes. This leatherette upholstery looks very premium, particularly in this shade of grey and beige. You also get 3 headrests. You get this drop down armrest with cup holders, and the view is pretty much the same as it was before. You also have these rear AC vents and 2 USB type C ports. So the overall feel in the rear seat of the Taigun, it will be a tight space for 3 adults, but 2 people can sit comfortably. Well, this is another new feature on the Taigun facelift. The rear LED tail light gets this nice welcome and goodbye animation feature, giving that premium feel to the Taigun, right? So if you're thinking about the prices, well, let me tell you, Volkswagen hasn't revealed them yet. There is still some time, and we will be coming with a detailed review of the Taigun facelift very, very soon. But what are your guesses as to what the prices will be of the Taigun facelift? Do let us know in the comments below. Till then, take care, drive safe. My name is Kingshuk, and I'll see you in the next video from autoX very, very soon.